The Geotest software provides simple operation and cataloging for geophone quality control testing using a BirdDog 3 acquisition system. Connect the sensor and power connectors. If the unit is charged, you may use the supplied power jumper to power from internal battery. Next, connect an Ethernet cable to your computer and, if desired, the optional temperature probe. Next, open the Geotest program on your PC. If your network adapter is set up correctly, the user should see the unit number and selected device's current firmware version under Selected Device. If connected to multiple devices, the user may select the desired device under the Settings window in the device list. Here, the user may add, change, or delete sensors. To add a new sensor to the list, click the New button. Add a model name to the type field and fill corresponding specifications. The shunted values can be calculated by pressing Autofill Specification once other fields are populated. Next, click Save Geophone. Whether testing single geophones or strings, the user will tick the appropriate checkbox. When testing strings, the corresponding fields will need to be filled. Lastly, select Hardware Setup and finally, send settings to Unit. The project and settings must be set up prior to performing geophone testing. Organize and view test results by project in the Project window. Type the name of the project here and select Create Project. Users may also load a project here. The program will display the current active project at the top of the window. Connect the geophone to be tested to the sensor input cable of the BirdDog 3 unit. Navigate to the Selected Channels option under the Settings page and select the channel the geophone is plugged into. Ensure the correct sensor and assembly configuration is selected. Note that when using the autosave option, users will need to tick the Confirm Saving option to enter test comments. Next, switch to the test window. Enter the sensor serial number and enter temperature method. Users may confirm the selected geophone profile here and tests to be performed by the Tests checkboxes here. Click Start to begin test. The polarity test is conducted after other tests. For a vertical geophone, the user may tap the top of the sensor to test. Select Stop to complete test cycle and save results, if not using autosave. Here, users may enter a comment on the record. Users may view, save, and print test results using the Project window. To filter results, select Criteria in the top of the window and select Apply. Users may delete or show records here. To retrieve records stored on the BirdDog 3 unit, users may select the Download button, then Get List of Records. Select the date of records. The records to collect, then click the Download Selected Files button. For more information, visit the Seismic Source website. Thank you for watching and happy testing!